Want to get shredded and build muscle like a pro? Well, you can't just rely on lifting weights. You gotta fuel your body with the right foods. But the good news is, today I'm revealing the 11 best foods to build muscle fast. So let's get started. Alright, folks, we all know you can't outtrain a bad diet, right? You could be crushing it at the gym, but if you're not feeding your body the right way, your muscles aren't going to get the memo. So if you've been putting in those hours at the gym but aren't seeing the gains you deserve, it might be time to take a good look at what's on your plate. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Stick with me because these 11 foods will supercharge your gains and have you flexing in no time. Trust me, building muscle isn't just about what you eat, it's about when, how, and why you eat certain things. The timing, the balance, the science behind it all, and today, I'm breaking it all down. So if you're serious about those gains, grab a notebook because you're gonna want to remember this. Okay, let's kick things off with the most essential macronutrient for muscle growth, protein. If protein were a superhero, it would be Muscle Man, swooping in to save your gains every time you work out. Without enough protein, your muscles just can't rebuild and grow. Simple as that. Now, I know a lot of people out there are living on protein shakes, but let me tell you, real food is where the magic happens. So, let's go through some of the best protein sources that should be on your shopping list. First up, let's talk chicken breast. It's the king of lean protein, my friends. One chicken breast can pack around 25 to 30 grams of protein with very little fat. And let's be honest, if you're serious about getting stronger, chicken should become your best friend. But here's a pro tip. Don't just throw it in the oven and call it a day. Get creative with your seasonings: garlic, paprika, cumin, lemon juice. Spices are your secret weapon for making chicken anything but bland. Oh, and if you don't have a grill, get yourself one. Grilled chicken is a game changer. Next up, eggs. They're like the Swiss Army knife of nutrition, versatile, cheap, and packed with protein. A single egg has about 6 grams of protein and contains all the essential amino acids your muscles crave. But here's the kicker, there's a lot of debate on whether you should eat the yolk or not. And I'm here to tell you, eat the yolk. That yellow part has healthy fats, vitamin D, and antioxidants. It's a muscle-building powerhouse in itself. Now, I know some of you are probably on the egg white only bandwagon, but you're missing out. Just don't overdo it. 2 to 3 whole eggs a day will give you everything your body needs. And if you're making an omelet, throw in some spinach or avocado. You'll thank me later. Alright, yogurt time. But not just any yogurt, Greek yogurt. It's the thick, creamy cousin of regular yogurt and has double the protein. Plus, it's loaded with probiotics, which are awesome for gut health. And we all know a healthy gut leads to better nutrient absorption. If you're not eating Greek yogurt yet, I need you to take a deep breath, go to the store and grab some. It's a game changer. You can enjoy it on its own, throw it in smoothies, or mix it with a handful of nuts and berries for an extra protein boost. Trust me, your muscles will thank you. Let's talk fats. Now, I know some of you are probably rolling your eyes right now thinking, but fats make me fat. Nope, not the case. Healthy fats are essential for building muscle and supporting hormone health. When you're lifting heavy and training hard, your body needs more than just protein. Fats help your body absorb vitamins like D and E, which are crucial for muscle function. Plus, fats provide a steady source of energy for those longer workouts. So let's dive into some of the best sources of healthy fats. Avocados, oh yeah. You've probably heard all about how amazing they are, but I'm going to hit you with some extra facts. These green wonders are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which help with muscle recovery and keep your energy levels up. But they're not just for toast. Add avocado to your salad, blend it into smoothies, or even stuff it into a chicken breast for that extra creamy texture. Your body will absorb all those fat-soluble nutrients better, and you'll feel fuller for longer. Plus, who doesn't love a good guac? Now, let's talk salmon. This one's a real heavy hitter. Salmon is an omega-3 fatty acid bomb, EGA3 South do wonders for reducing inflammation after those grueling workouts. They can help you recover faster and perform better the next time you hit the gym. Not to mention, it's an excellent source of protein, providing about 20 grams per 3-ounce serving. But if you're not into salmon, don't stress. You can still get your omega-3 salad from other sources like mackerel, sardines, or even flax seeds and chia seeds. But trust me, salmon is a treat, and you'll feel like you're eating like a king or queen. Just make sure to get wild-caught, not farmed, for the best quality. Sweet potatoes are your carb source if you're aiming for muscle growth. They're packed with fiber, antioxidants, and slow-digesting carbs that'll keep you fueled for hours, making them perfect for pre-workout meals. These things are like the muscle-building power-up you didn't know you needed. And the best part, you can prepare them in so many ways. Roast them, mash them, turn them into fries, or even throw them in a smoothie for that extra carb boost. And just for a moment, think about what other carb sources give you so much nutrition while tasting so good. No wonder sweet potatoes have a cult following. Okay, time to talk superfoods. These are the foods that work overtime for you. Not only do they taste good, but they're also packed with nutrients that give you that extra edge in your muscle building journey. Spinach, yes, the green stuff you probably avoided as a kid, but as an adult, it's a muscle food hero. Spinach is high in iron, which supports oxygen delivery to your muscles and helps improve endurance. It's also packed with nitrates, which improve your workout performance by increasing blood flow to your muscles. And hey, I get it. Not everyone is thrilled by the idea of eating spinach. But trust me, throw it in a smoothie, a stir-fry, or toss it on top of your chicken for a quick power-up. No excuses, this green leafy goodness is worth every bite. Next, we've got quinoa, pronounced quinoa. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. If you're looking for a plant-based protein source that's gluten-free and full of fiber, this is it. Add quinoa to salads, mix it with some veggies, or eat it as a side dish with your chicken or fish. The versatility is endless. Plus, it'll give you the sustained energy you need without that carb crash. Let's talk antioxidants. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries are packed with them. Antioxidants fight oxidative stress in your muscles caused by intense exercise, meaning less soreness and faster recovery. And they're delicious. Toss them into your yogurt, smoothies, or just eat them by the handful as a snack. It's like eating candy that actually helps you build muscle. How cool is that? Alright, we're almost there, but before we wrap up, let's talk dairy and plant-based options for those of you who are more on the plant-based side or simply want more variety. Cottage cheese is a hidden gem. It's a slow-digesting protein source, meaning it gives your muscles a steady supply of amino acids for hours. This makes it perfect as a late-night snack. And the best part, it's versatile. You can have it with fruit, sprinkle it with cinnamon, or just eat it plain. Last but not least, lentils. If you're plant-based, lentils are your go-to protein source. They're packed with fiber and protein, and they're also rich in iron, which is great for oxygen transport during exercise. Add lentils to soups, salads, or even make a lentil curry. They're cheap, easy to cook, and will keep you full and fueled throughout the day. And there you have it, 11 of the best foods you can eat to build muscle and get that physique you've always wanted. Whether you're trying to bulk up or just stay lean, these foods are going to help you maximize your gains. But here's the deal: if you really want to see results, you've got to combine the right nutrition with a solid workout plan. So hit the gym, fuel up with these powerhouse foods, and watch your body transform. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me which of these foods you already love or plan to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more muscle building tips every week. Stay strong, stay fueled, and I'll catch you in the next video.